Igbo mythology and folklore. The origin of death. Version 1. The Dog and the Toad. In the days when the world was still young and the ways of men were shaped by the gods, there was no such thing as death. Men lived their lives without the fear of an end, and the earth was a place of eternal existence. But as time went on, the elders grew wise and began to ponder the fate of mankind. They gathered together in a council and decided that it was time to seek the will of Nechukwu, the creator of the world, on the matter of life and death. The elders proposed 2 messages to be sent to Nechukwu. The first message was a plea for immortality, that men would never die and live forever in peace. The second message was a somber acceptance of death, that men would die when their time on earth was complete. Knowing that Nechukwu would only grant the first message to reach her, the elders chose 2 messengers for the task, the dog and the toad. The dog, known for his speed and agility, was entrusted with the first message, the one that asked for eternal life. The toad, a slow and unremarkable creature, was given the second message, the one that accepted death. The elders believed that the dog would easily outrun the toad and deliver the message of immortality to Nechukwu first. With the messages in hand, the dog and the toad set out on their journey. The dog, confident in his abilities, trotted along the path with ease. He was so sure of his speed that he allowed himself to be distracted by the scents of the earth. Whenever he caught the smell of excrement, he would stop to investigate, and when he heard the rustling of bushes, he would dart into the forest in search of food. The journey was long, but the dog was in no hurry. He believed he had all the time in the world. Meanwhile, the toad, fully aware of his slow pace, hopped along the path with steady determination. He knew that he could not afford to waste a single moment. While the dog was distracted, the toad continued on, never stopping, never wavering. He kept his eyes on the path ahead, focused solely on his mission. Days passed, and the toad finally reached the abode of Nechukwu. With a heavy heart, he delivered the message that men were to die. Nechukwu accepted the message and decreed that death would enter the world. The toad's task was complete, and he bowed his head in resignation. It was only much later that the dog, having taken his time and enjoyed his journey, arrived at Nechukwu's dwelling. To his dismay, he found the toad already there and the message of death accepted. The dog, realizing his mistake, pleaded with Nechukwu to change her mind and accept the message of immortality instead. But Nechukwu was firm in her decision. The message of death had been delivered first, and so it was to be. Filled with remorse for his failure, the dog was determined to make amends. He approached Nechukwu and begged for a way to protect mankind from the harshness of death. Nechukwu, moved by the dog's sincerity, granted him the role of man's guardian. From that day forward, the dog became man's faithful companion, watching over him day and night, ever alert to the dangers that threatened his life. Even when the world is asleep, the dog remains vigilant, barking at the approach of danger and fighting to protect his master. His loyalty knows no bounds, and his dedication is unmatched. The dog's love for mankind is his way of making up for the loss of immortality, a loss that came about because of his own carelessness. And so, death entered the world, but the dog, man's faithful friend, has remained by his side ever since, guarding mankind against harm and reminding us of the fragile nature of life. The end. Lessons from the story. Number 1. The consequences of overconfidence. The dog's overconfidence led to his failure in delivering the crucial message of immortality. This teaches us that no matter how capable we are, we should not take important tasks lightly or assume that success is guaranteed. Number 2. the value of determination and focus. The toad, despite his limitations, succeeded because of his determination and focus. This lesson reminds us that persistence and a single-minded approach to our goals can help us achieve what may seem impossible. Number 3. The acceptance of mortality. The story reflects the inevitability of death and the importance of accepting it as a natural part of life. It reminds us that death is not to be feared but understood as a fundamental aspect of existence. Number 4. Loyalty and redemption. The dog's unwavering loyalty to mankind after his failure serves as a reminder of the importance of loyalty and the possibility of redemption. It shows that even when we make mistakes, we can still find ways to make amends and protect those we care about. Number 5. Divine will and the limits of human influence. The story also illustrates the belief in the ultimate authority of Nechukwu and the limits of human influence over divine decisions. It teaches humility and acceptance of the higher powers that govern the world. What other lessons come to mind from this story? Let us know in the comments below. Yagazie.